there from Parliament. So from Parliament, want to follow up on another developing story. We want to bring in Rita Tinina joining us live from the Supreme Court. Rita, what can you tell us so far? Have you been able to see the battery of lawyers representing all the parties making their way or arriving there? Because we only maybe have about 20 or less than 20 minutes actually before 11 a.m., which is the set time that this proceeding today should be starting.
Well, the lawyers have been making their way here for the last half hour or so. And today, Betty, I will tell you, after that scuffle yesterday involving Raila Odinga, Moses Wetangula, and Wetangula's bodyguard, today the security is a bit more tight than yesterday. When you get to the gate, they have a list. They are counter-checking those who have been accredited, like journalists, to get here. Also, the lawyers who are representing clients here. Your name has to be on that list. Aside from your name, you have to produce your ID so that they can counter-check your name on the ID is the name on the paper, just to ensure that no one is using another person's accreditation card to get here. And so, Betty, that session should be getting underway, as you say, in the next 15 minutes or so, but may not get underway as planned. Yesterday, when the court was winding up, Chief Justice, the President of the Supreme Court, David Maraga, had indicated that today morning, when the court convenes, they will have Uhuru Kenyatta's lawyers, Fred Ngatia, Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, make their submissions. But remember also yesterday morning, what happened yesterday morning, the first thing that the court dealt with was that ruling on an application by NASA, which was seeking access to the IEBC ICT system. And that ruling gave the IEBC limited read-only access yesterday. And yesterday the court, Maraga, ruled that with the limited access, that they should go through the system overnight and today and give a report by this evening. But the indications we are getting, there's a back and forth on social media. Paul Mwangi, a lawyer for NASA, saying that they have not been given access. IEBC, on the other hand, saying they have given the access as was stipulated by the court. And in that tweet by Paul Mwangi, he had indicated that is one of the issues they would be addressing this morning, saying it's back to court this morning after he tweeted that we've been stonewalled, no read-only access. They want to give already printed logs. That was a tweet by Paul Mwangi sometime past 3 a.m. this morning. But just over an hour ago, the IEBC tweeting, the commission has complied with orders as framed by the Supreme Court. All parties in the petition are going on with the scrutiny. So aside from this back and forth on social media, perhaps we'll wait and see what they will say before the court as the judges convene this morning to wait for the submission by Uhuru Kenyatta, as well as the Friends of the Court, Attorney General Githu Muigai, as well as the LSK. We'll be waiting to see whether the NASA team then will move a contempt of a court case against the IEBC over the access to their systems. Betty.
Rita Tinina there reporting from the Supreme Court, and we're getting the live pictures also from the court. We will be going back there once that